one question that we get a lot of is about the flips and the improvements you're doing on homes. How do you pick the product? Alex, can you share some information on that for us?
Yeah, absolutely, Jordan. So one of the biggest things I tell people is bang for your buck. So
Yes.
not you can go with the most trendy, expensive thing, but it could be out in a couple years. You're usually looking at a long-term gain. So you want something that will stay in style for a while. It isn't too flashy, but still will look good. So we're looking at the Lowe's website here. I'm usually inclined for flooring to look at something that's right around that $2 a square foot is what I tell people for the luxury vinyl planking. That's really in style, very durable, and I see it staying in style for a long time because of that reason. So we put anywhere in our rentals we can put the LVP that makes sense. That's typically what we put in.
Awesome.
Some of the other things, like this house, for example, we had to do some tub surrounds. So when we're looking at tub surrounds here, kind of the same thing. You could go all the way down to $109 for a 3-piece, but that's going to be glued in. May not hold up. So we're going to go up, probably the 300 range or so. Something that's a single piece that you're not going to have falling apart coming off the walls in 5 years, and you have to redo it anyway, because a large part of your cost is the labor. So if you put a quality product in that'll hold up, you won't be paying for the labor to redo it again down the road.
That makes sense,
and then one of the other things that I've been told by all of our plumbers is to do upgrade a little bit. Don't get the lowest on the shelf again. Get Moan or Delta or a product that has been around for a long time. So if something does happen, there are parts available. So you're not ripping the shower surround out to put a whole new faucet in because you didn't get something you can't find a new cartridge for. So spend a little bit of money and get something that you can fix.
If you're looking to learn more about investment properties, go ahead and reach out to us at Dwell.